Ever found the perfect rug, only to bring it home and realize it's way too small or awkwardly large? Choosing the right rug size can completely make or break your space. It's not just about style, it's about balance, proportion, and flow. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to choose the perfect rug size for any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, dining area, or hallway. Let's get into it. 1. Why rug size matters more than you think. Rug size isn't just a technical detail, it sets the tone for your entire room. Too small? The room looks disjointed. Too big? It can swallow your furniture and feel overwhelming. The right rug anchors your space, adds visual structure, and ties everything together, like a well-framed photo. 2. Living room, anchor your seating area. Here are your 3 main options. All legs on. A large rug under all your furniture gives a polished, luxurious look. Front legs on. A slightly smaller rug with just the front legs of your sofa and chairs on the rug, modern and practical. Floating rug. Only your coffee table sits on the rug. Use this only for very small spaces. Pro tip: leave at least 6 to 12 inches of floor space between the rug edge and the wall so it doesn't feel like wall-to-wall carpet. 3. Bedroom, frame the bed, not just the floor. The most common mistake? Getting a rug that's too small and only peeks out from the bed. Here's the better way. For a queen bed, go with an 8 by 10 rug. For a king bed, a 9 by 12 rug is ideal. Make sure there's at least 18 to 24 inches of rug showing on all sides of the bed. Or try 2 runners on each side of the bed for a budget-friendly look that still adds symmetry. 4. Dining room, all chairs on board. The rule here is simple. All chairs, even when pulled out, should sit comfortably on the rug. Measure your table, then add 24 inches on each side to get the right rug size. This avoids the annoying rug tug every time someone scoots their chair. 5. Hallways, entryways, and small spaces. In narrow areas, runners are your best friend. Make sure the runner is centered with a few inches of space on each side, and avoid rugs that are too short. It breaks the visual flow. For entryways, a small 3 by 5 or 4 by 6 rug works well to create a cozy welcome. 6. Bonus tips: shape and placement. Round rugs? Great under round tables or to soften square rooms. Layering? Place a smaller patterned rug over a neutral jute rug for texture. In open floor plans, rugs can define separate zones. Just make sure they complement each other. The right rug equals a finished room. So next time you shop for a rug, don't just focus on color or design. Measure your space, consider your furniture layout, and pick a size that actually enhances the room. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home styling tips, and let me know in the comments what room you're shopping for. I'd love to help you find the perfect fit. See you in the next video.